everyone, welcome back to a new KSP videos, and in today's video I'm going to be starting a new series where I'll teach you everything that is there in Kerbal Space Program. I have some mods installed like Kerbal Constructs and Editor Expansion and few more, but I'm going to be doing as much as I can without mods. Only thing I'm going to be using Kerbal Constructs is this, or more tweak. All of this auto struct, so I save time in the video. But if you don't have it, I recommend you downloading the craft. So what am I doing here? So I'm currently making a craft. So we added a Mark 1 command mod and then a parachute, Mark 16 parachute. Then go to your engines. Take this RT5 Flea solid rocket motor, or booster I shall say. After that, you go to your science. These are not going to be there. Take the mystery goo containment unit. Add 3 of these. If you want, you can also take a 50-degree snap. And when I wanted to just take it like that. And after those mystery goos, all that you need to do after that is set your Kerbal. For the first few missions, you would want Bill Kerbal or Bob Kerbal as scientist, because he can restore the mystery ghouls. But of course, no. And because I have Kerbal Constructs and I wanted to just launch from a different launch pad, but that does not matter too much as we are, Oh, that's what. And whoa, it's taking so long to load. Don't crash. At least show that. And it's loading, and it's starting to load properly. Thank you, at least properly loading. I know I got this is the old KSP. See, this is the old Kerbal Space Center I'm launching it from. This is once that was considered as the really old one. Then they removed it with a new one. You can see the old vehicle assembly building there and the old launch pad. They were like this. That's why they was decided to launch from here, so you all can have a recollect of the past. Observe mystery goo first. Observation from the background launch pad. You observe the goo. After that, what you need to do is take a crew report. A crew report. So for maximum science, do a crew report. And you're playing with normal settings except having combat off. Take an EVA report then. EVA report. And after that, take data for the capture and click board. I forgot about the staging. Just remember to set out your stage way before, because something like this can happen when you only forget to do the staging. I need to actually launch it, and while we are launching it, we can try to select one of those mystery goos and observe it. Goo juggles at the crash lines. Get the parachute ready to be deployed. And still you can see the proof from the bubble curve outside, I guess, when we are launched. And I really hate this mod. I can't remove it, is the problem. Wait, maneuver tool. Wait, why hyper warp? How? Let's Kerbal Planet Shine. Opening all of the things possible until I find a work problem. All input locks. Go away. Maneuver tool. I don't want to. Go away. No. Leave it. Leave this hyperwarp thing. This is one of my mods. It is just I need to remove the time control. Normal warp, yeah, nice. Now just understand that this is a big mess of a screen. Don't try to get this time control mod because it's a real pain. I was also trying to delete it and then not delete, and also it's just such a big pain. And when I found that these parachutes were not deploying, I decided to do this. Pressure, altitude, spread angle. I can also take Bob Kerman out, or I can take a crew report. And an EVA report. Don't click space because you will start, your Kerbal will fall down if you click space. EVA report. Take data, board, and after that let it fall down. I know it will take some time. So, my God, that's really bad word there. Yes, quarks, normal. Like if I ramp down at the fastest speed that I can. This is why I'm doing. I'm going to use 8 times physics time ramp. This is why I like to say this is better, because this is why I want to really tell you to get Kerbal Engineer Redux and better time ramp. They're really good mods. And if you want clouds and stuff like those, you can have mods like a few other mods which will add those. But really recommend this mod that I'm using. It's such a nice mod. And we are going over the Kerbal's tree and grasslands, I guess. Yeah. And if there was no Kerbal Engineer, this is what your situation it would be. But with Kerbal Engineer, you know what is there. And actually, I'm just talking all the whole part of this land building because what's interesting to say after such a topic? Oh no. Oh no! Luckily, we still hopefully have this. No, they are gone. The mystery crews are gone. But if this happens, don't matter too much because we can take more crew reports and EVA reports. But still, try to add more parachutes and clip them. EVA are available. I can recover the vessel and I'll tell you which ones to unlock. Even if this happens, I know one thing that you can do. You can revert to flight and do that, but I don't want to waste the video. Just remember to have more parachutes. But still, I remember the succeeding ones before. I don't know what's gone wrong now. Advanced effect, like. Oh, physics. You can even create your own time lapse like this. Then go to simple. I got 19 science, why all of this many stuff. And Bob Kerman's back. This is why I told to do that. And now go to your research and development. First take basic rocketry. And it's a rocket app, of course. Engineering, and now if you get all of these two, take stability or default or any of these. Okay, so this is the first tier of the tech tree you finished. You started up with this, and this is how to finish the first tier. It's the first special in Kerbal Space Program that you should know in science mode. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a like and share it with your friends. Subscribe. Bye.